Are you running an e-commerce store on Odoo and want to integrate Printify for seamless print-on-demand fulfillment? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to connect Printify to Odoo so you can start selling custom products effortlessly. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Printify account and an Odoo account with the e-commerce module installed. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to printify.com and odoo.com to create your accounts. Install the Printify connector in Odoo. Navigate the Odoo apps section, search for Printify connector, and click on the install button. Now let's install the Printify connector in Odoo. Go to the apps section in your Odoo dashboard and search for Printify. If you find an official integration, install it. Otherwise, you may need to use a third-party module from the Odoo marketplace. Third, you'll need to get API credentials from Printify. To connect Printify to Odoo, we need an API key. In Printify, you go to your account settings, find the API token section, and generate a new API key. Copy this key as we'll need it in the Odoo. Head back to Odoo, open the Printify integration settings, and paste your API key. Click Save to establish the connection. Odoo will now sync with your Printify store. And step 5, sync products and orders. Once connected, you can sync your Printify products to your Odoo store. Click Sync Products to import them, and you can also test the integration by placing a sample order and ensuring it appears in Printify for fulfillment. Sixth step is to set up automation and shipping. To streamline your workflow, make sure your shipping settings in Odoo match Printify's rate. You can also enable automatic order forwarding so that every sale on Odoo is sent to Printify for fulfillment without manual intervention. And that's it. You've successfully connected Printify to Odoo. Now you can start selling print-on-demand products directly from your Odoo store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tutorials. See you in the next video.